Alhamdulillah, as-salatu was-salamu ala rasulihil kareem. Amma ba'ad, fa'uz billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair. Wa bika nasta'inu ya fattahu, ya fattahu, ya fattahu. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri. Wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Allahumma faqihna fid din. Ameen. Allahumma ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope and pray that you all are doing good. Yes, I'm also doing good. Alhamdulillah. So in this video, lesson 27, in this lesson, you are going to learn Sulasi Mazid Fihi. And this is just the introduction of Sulasi Mazid Fihi. What is Sulasi Mazid Fihi? Okay. So far, from lesson 22 up till now, you have been doing Sulasi Mujarrad. Okay. The family one that we have been discussing. And under the family one, you learn Bab Nasara, Daraba, Samia, Hasiba, Karuma. So those 6 sub-families come under Sulasi Mujarrad. And Sulasi Mujarrad, the numbering for Sulasi Mujarrad is family 1. So you know what is Sulasi Mujarrad. For Sulasi Mazid Fihi, just recall that the 99% of Arabic word, 99% of Arabic words have only 3 root letters. Okay, that's why these words are called Sulasi. Words containing only 3 root letters, Sulasi. And less than 1% of Arabic words have root letters, either 4 or 5 root letters. So if any word has 4 root letters, it is called Rubai. And if it has 5 root letters, then Khumasi. But our main focus is only on Sulasi, because obviously the 99% of words in Arabic are Sulasi, 3-letter root words. And so far in last 5 lessons, you were studying Sulasi Mujarrad. Sulasi Mujarrad. The words that contain 3-letter root word and coming from first family 1. The Bab is known as Sulasi Mujarrad, or we can say family 1. Why do we call Mujarrad? Because in this family, there is no additional letter in any of the word form. Whether you take present tense or past tense or the masdar idea form or ism file, the doer form, all the words that are coming from family 1, they don't have extra letter. That's why it is called Mujarrad. Mujarrad means alone. Okay. But as we are moving into surface studies, now we are going to learn more families. Okay. So those families are numbered from 2 to 10 if they are coming from 3-letter root word. Okay. And those families are called Mazid Fihi families. Mazid Fihi families. So, and correctly, they are these families are Sulasi Mazid Fihi. Sulasi Mazid Fihi, why? Because the root letter is 3, again 3 root letters, but there are additional letters, additional elements in the word pattern. And you will see in the next couple of slides how the additional letters come in these families. Okay. The same way it happens with Rubai also. In Rubai we have Mujarrad, and in Rubai we have Mazid Fihi, but our main focus is over here. 3-letter root words have from family 1, they are called Mujarrad, And in the family 1, we have further 6 sub-clan. Okay, 6 sub-clan. And what are they? Nasara, Daraba, Samia, Hasiba, Karuma, and Fataha, right? So these 6 families are called small families because they are the subcategory or subfamilies of family 1, sub-clan of family 1. Okay, and Mazid Fihi family are from family 2 to 10, 9 families. Okay, now moving on to the next slide. So that's the same thing that we learned on the previous page. So there are 99% of Arabic words are Sulasi, 3-letter root words. And the first letter is called Fa kalma, Ain kalma. The second one is called Ain kalma, and the third is called Lam kalma. So in word kataba, Kaf is the Fa kalma, Ta is the Ain kalma, and Ba is the Lam kalma. And Rubai are those words having 4 root letters. So we also discussed the Sulasi Mujarrad. Sulasi Mujarrad are those words that having 3 root letters and they don't have any additional letters in their word pattern. Okay, so their word pattern, they don't have any additional root letters. But in Sulasi Mazid Fihi, we have additional root letters. Actually, Mazid word is coming from Ziyada. Zada yazidu ziyadatan. And Zada means Ziyada means increment, something additional. Something additional. So that's why these families are called Mazid Fihi, because there are some additional letters. Okay. So let's go to the next one. Next slide. These are the same you learn in lesson 22, 23. These subclans of Sulasi Mujarrad. Subclan of Sulasi Mujarrad and their like the families, small families that are the subclan of Sulasi Mujarrad, they are also called Abwab. And in Mazid Fihi, the families are called Abwab. In Arabic, we call Bab. Each one, Bab. And Bab in the sense that just imagine that the 3 root letters are, for example, Ain, Lam, Mim. So if they are coming from first door, it would be Alima, Ya'lamu. But if the same root letter, when they come from the second bab, second door, it becomes Allama yu'allimu. Instead of Alima ya'lamu, it becomes Allama yu'allimu. Okay, and if you take the root letter Jim, Ha, and Dal, and if it Jahada is coming from third door, then third family 3, it would be Jahada yujahidu, jihadan. So their pattern, their Awzan pattern are known as Awzan. The pattern we will discuss in the next lesson. Okay, so when the same root letter come from different family, it takes on different patterns. Okay, so Bab Taf'il, family 2 has a different pattern. Family 3 has a different, family 4 has a different pattern. Different patterns for each kind of word. If for past tense, for present tense, for idea, for doer form, every. And inshallah, you are going to learn these word patterns in the next lesson. Okay. So just look at this. Here in Sulasi Mujarrad, only 3 letters are there. Whether you will find the pattern of fa'ala yaf'alu, or fa'ula yaf'ilu, or fa'ila yaf'ulu. Actually, it's not fa'ila yaf'alu. It's bab nasara, you have fa'ala. Hold on. Bab nasara, you have fa'ala yaf'ulu. Bab daraba, you have fa'ala yaf'ilu. And bab fataha, you have fa'ala yaf'alu. So these pattern you will find in Sulasi Mujarrad, but you don't see any additional letter. 3 root letters in past tense, and over here this one, the yafalu or tafalu or tafaluna. This ya in the beginning is only the symbol of mudare. So there's no additional letter in Sulasi Mujarrad. And then you go to the Mazid. When you come to Mazid Fihi, in second family, the middle letter becomes double. The Ain Kalma becomes double. Allama yu'allimu. In third family, there is an additional alif in between the first and the second root letter. Fa'ala yufa'ilu. In fourth family, again, there's another extra alif. In second family, you have the middle one, the middle kalma, which is Ain Kalma, coming twice in second family. In third family, you have additional alif in between the first and the second letter. In fourth family, you have additional alif at the beginning, in the beginning of past tense. In fifth family, you have 2 additional letters, one ta, and the Ain Kalma comes double. And just like allama, it becomes ta'allama. In fifth family, it becomes ta'allama. Okay, ta'allama. And in sixth family, it becomes in sixth family, you have again additional ta and 1 alif between first and the second letter. Tafa'ala. The pattern is tafa'ala. And then seventh, alif and noon. Additional alif and noon. In family 8, alif and ta. Bab ifti'al. It is called ifti'al. And in the 9th family is called in 9th family, you have alif, additional alif, and 2 lam letters. Lam letters gets doubled. If Allah yaf'alu, if ilalan. And 10th family has 3 additional elements, alif, sin, and ta at the beginning. So from first to from second to 4, you have 1 additional letter, and ain gets double. So just 1 letter is additional. And from 5 to 9, you have 2 additional letters, and in family 10, you have 3 additional letters. So when suppose fa'ala, you have fa, 3 root letter, fa, ain, and lam. Why these families are called doors? Because when fa'ala comes through family first door, family 1, first door, Sulasi Mujarrad, bab Sulasi Mujarrad, then it is fa'ala yaf'ulu or fa'ila yafalu, right? But when it comes from second door, bab taf'il, then it takes the form of fa'ala yufa'ilu taf'ilan. So that's why it is called bab taf'il. And the same letter when it comes from same three root letters when they come from third bab, family 3, they take the form of fa'ala yufa'ilu fi'alan. That's why the third family is called bab fi'al. And fourth family, af'ala yuf'ilu if'alan. Af'ala yuf'ilu if'alan. So if that's why it is called bab if'al. Fifth family, tafa'ala yatafa'alu tafa'ulan. So that's why it is called tafa'ala, bab tafa'ala. Then tafa'ul, bab tafa'ul, and family 6 is tafa'ala. So that's why these are called bab, because once they pass through this pattern, as if they are taking on different forms, different, they are following different patterns. So this is about just introduction, brief introduction of these families. They are called Mazid Fihi, and there are different patterns. In past tense, every family has different pattern for past tense, present tense, masdar, commanding, and past passive, present passive. So, and the doer form and the done to form. So all these forms you are going to learn in next lesson. This lesson, lesson 27, was about the introduction of different families. So family 1 has 6 small families. Family 1 has 6 small families, and family 2 to 10, these are called Mazid Fihi families. And they have some additional elements, some additional letters in addition to the 3 root letters. Okay. And inshallah, further down in lesson 29, 30, 31, 32, we are going to take each family separately, and we are going to discuss that family in detail, inshallah. So that concludes our session today. Let's make dua. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. If you have any question, you can ask me, inshallah, in the live interactive session. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.